If you're looking for an easy way to start your online business or launch digital products quickly, then you've probably heard about SupaStarter. But the real question is SupaStarter actually worth your time and money? In this honest review, I'll show you the key features, who it's best for, and how you can try it yourself. So first, what exactly is SupaStarter? It's an all-in-one starter platform designed to help beginners and creators launch websites, funnels, or digital services without needing advanced technical skills. That means you can get started fast, even if you're completely new. Now let's talk about the key features that make SupaStarter stand out. Number 1, beginner-friendly setup. You don't need coding or complicated tools, everything is simple and guided step by step. Number 2, ready-to-use templates. You get pre-built designs that save time and help you launch faster. Number 3, all-in-one tools. From pages to basic marketing features, everything is combined in one place so you don't need multiple subscriptions. And honestly, one thing I personally like is the simplicity. It's built for people who want to start quickly without wasting hours learning complex systems. Now, who is SupaStarter best for? It's ideal for beginners, freelancers, small business owners, or anyone who wants a simple starting point for an online project. If you're curious and want to test it yourself, I've placed a try link in the description so you can explore the platform and see if it fits your needs. My final verdict? SupaStarter is a solid beginner-friendly tool if you want something simple, fast, and affordable to start online. Check the link in the description, try it out, and see how it works for you.